The next function is the decode function. The command is DECO. So what this function does, it decodes this number and stores the result in this other number. So this is the source device, which is this one, and device for storing the result, which is this one, and the number of consecutive bits of S. So for instance, in this example, they're using a contactor, a contactor X0, which is a digital input, and it will use the next consecutive inputs. So starting X0, that's 1, 2, and 3. And these numbers, these 3 digits, these 3 bits, represents the decimal value of 3. 1, 1 represents 3. Therefore, the bit M103 gets activated, and the other ones gets reset to 0. So you can see it here. So and pretty much, so if x0 equals to 0 and x1 equals to 0 and x0 equals to 1, then the number will be the number 1. So therefore, this bit is going to be the one that is going to be activated. So that's how the decode function works. So let's use this example already uses the contactors, but now let's use instead of contactor, let's use a device, a register. So let's go to ISPsoft and we run the decode function. We're decoding D0, which the current value it's 12, and of D0 we're using the last 4 digits to decode. So that means that we can go all the way to, with 4 digits, you can go all the way to 16, all the way to a value of 16. So, yeah, a value of 16. And the result is going to be stored from N0 all the way to 16. Okay, so let's go to run. Okay, so right now we're online. So let's go to the monitor table and here, and let me add just one more contactor here. So I'm going to add M16, and I'm going to, sorry, let me delete that one, and I'm going to insert it below. So I'm going to load M16. Oh, sorry, so excuse me. M16. M16. Dang. Okay, so let me delete this one and put it underneath D0. There you go. Okay. Whew. Okay. So right now, D0 it's equals to the decimal value 12. So when I hit X20, then M12 gets activated. So I'm going to change it to change the present value. We're going to change it to 5. Hit enter, and M5 gets activated. So if we select 0, okay, good. M0 gets activated. If we select 10, you know what is going to happen. 10 gets activated. So we use on this function, we only using the 4 last digit binary digit of D0. Therefore, we can only go all the way to 15. So with 4 binary numbers, by binary digit, you can only go to 15. So let me change this to on, this one to on, and I'm going to execute the function again. So all of these are going to get the reset, and only this one is going to be turned on. And let's since we only using the last 4 digits of the number, I'm going to set this to on, and I'm going to execute it again. See, so now nothing happened. The function only works on the fourth. It only works on the it's only working on the 4 last digits of D0. So since M16 it's out of that range, that doesn't have any effect. It will only go up to 16 digits. So that's why M16 didn't change. Whereas this one, if I set it on and I execute the function, all of those get reset to 0.